Increase your Instagram followers with these 8 hacks.
The best way to get Instagram followers for your business is to post quality content that engages your audience.
This means posting photos and videos people want to see and ensuring those posts include tags and links to your website or blog.
Number 1. Get follows from your loyalty program.
If you have a loyalty program, you must keep your customers engaged so they return repeatedly.
This could mean offering discounts or freebies, but it could also mean sending them exclusive content or letting them know what products are coming soon.
Send your customers exclusive offers and promotions via email.
Offer exclusive rewards for loyal customers. Create a sense of community and build brand loyalty. Gain followers by promoting your product or service. Encourage repeat purchases by rewarding loyal customers.
Number 2. Your post captions for search.
The best way to optimize your post captions for search is to write them naturally.
Avoid using keywords like click here or buy now because they don't add real value to your post. Instead, focus on writing descriptive captions with your product name and brand.
Your caption will appear at the top of the results when someone searches for your company name. Your caption will be displayed on social media when someone shares your content.
When people search for your products, your caption appears in the SERPs, search engine result pages.
Your caption helps Google understand what your post is about. Increase center by 40%.
Number 3. Host Instagram giveaway. If you want to host an Instagram giveaway, it helps if you already have some experience doing so. For example, if you've hosted a contest before, you should be able to quickly adapt your process to include photos from your brand. Easily share posts across multiple platforms. Increase awareness of your brand by giving away free products. Gain new followers and increase engagement.
Boost sales by encouraging customers to share your product.
Number 4. Create Instagram challenge. The challenge is a fantastic way to keep your followers engaged, giving them something to strive towards and motivating them to share your content. Increase your engagement by motivating your audience to act. Encourage interaction between your community and brand. Reach your target market. Organically create a competition between you and other influencers. To create a challenge, go to the Instagram Explore page, select Explore from the top menu bar and search for the hashtag Create Instagram Challenge. Number 5. Add keywords to your bio's name field. The name field is where you enter your username, so it should include all the vital information people might want to know about you. For example, if you're a doctor specializing in treating diabetes, add diabetes to your name.
If you're a lawyer, add lawyer.
Include any exceptional skills or qualifications you have that relate to your business. Add keywords to your bio's name field, and people will find you easily when they search Google. Increase search engine optimization, SEO. Add keywords to your bio to help Google find you when someone searches for you by using your keywords. Search engines will rank your site higher and bring more visitors to your website. Visitors will see your site listed under related search terms when they look up those exact keywords. Number 6. Explore Instagram Stories interactive features.
The most recent update to Instagram Stories was released last year.
It allows you to add filters, stickers, text overlays, and emojis to your stories, making sharing fun moments from your day easier. But if you want to take advantage of all the new features, you'll need to upgrade to the latest version of Instagram on iOS or Android. Easier than ever to create fun stories using the new interactive features. Use different effects to transform your story into something completely unique. Create your own story themes. Add music to your stories, then play it back later. Number 7. Use the live video feature. If you're looking to grow your Instagram audience, one fantastic way to do so is by using the platform's live video feature.
When you go live on Instagram, your followers will receive a notification that you're broadcasting.
This is a fantastic way to engage with your audience in real time and give them a behind-the-scenes look at your life or business. Plus, live videos get more engagement than regular posts, so you're bound to reach new people with this method.
Grow your audience by reaching new people through Instagram Live.
Engage your followers in real time.
Engage with your followers in real time. Grow your following organically.
Number 8. Host an Instagram account takeover. An Instagram account takeover is when one Instagram user takes over another user's account for a day.
This is a fantastic way to grow your following and get your brand in front of a new audience.
Here are a few tips for hosting a successful account takeover. Choose a user with a similar audience.
This will help ensure that the takeover is successful and that you reach the right people.
Plan out the content for the day in advance. This will help you stay on track and ensure the content is relevant to your brand.
Engage with the audience throughout the day. This is an excellent opportunity to connect.
Reach a new audience, grow your following, increase engagement, receive valuable feedback, increase brand awareness.
Your Instagram account is your online storefront. You should aim to create as many opportunities for engagement as possible so that your followers will want to constantly be discovering new content.
But these are just a handful of ways to get more Instagram followers online.
If you're still struggling with your account and want to get more followers, you can always consider hiring an influencer to help promote your brand.
The best way to do this is to contact them via email and see if they are willing to work with you on a case-by-case basis.